We are here at Collegetown Center on the 4th floor of this 6th-floor elevator building to take a look at apartment 416. This is a studio apartment on the north side of the building. This is a rectangle style studio. This is our standard model of apartment here within this building. And let's take a look. We've got the kitchen on our left as we enter. So you can see the refrigerator, there's the microwave, the sink and the dishwasher underneath, and the stove and oven to our right. And there are cabinets and drawers here in the kitchen. Across from the kitchen, we have this great wall space, and you could add a shoe rack or a small shelf. You could possibly even put your bookshelf in here. Even a narrow table would work in this kitchen area. As we go into the apartment, let's pass by the closet and take a look in there. That closet will have our shelf and hanging space and some floor space in there. So good storage here with the closet. As we go into the apartment, you can see the furnishings. There's always a bookshelf, a dining table and chair, a full-size bed, a desk and chair, and a dresser. Let's take a look. We don't often open the dressers. Let's get a drawer open in here just so you can kind of see. So we've got the dresser for your folded items. Okay, and we've got a nice light fixture in here too as well. That's different from what we'll have in some of the other apartments. So that is specific to this unit 416. Let's take a look in the bathroom. It's the same bathroom layout that we've seen in the other videos. So we'll have that shower and tub with a sliding door. The bathroom sink vanity opens underneath, the toilet, the towel rack, and the cabinet on the wall. And you have that overhead light over the mirror and the fan. We're on the 4th floor and we're on the Dryden Road side of the building. So let's go take a look out the window. You can see that air conditioner under the window. So we're facing north. This is the street side of the building. So we have the best Collegetown views. This is the best people watching. You can see what's going on in our vibrant Collegetown neighborhood. The corner to our right is the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, and from there we are located just 1 block to campus. To the left is that curved part of the 100 block of Dryden Road. You can see Collegetown Plaza is that red building to the left. So that is a look at Collegetown Center, apartment number 416. We are in a north rectangle, which is the standard style model here in this building, located at 151 Dryden Road, just 1 block from campus.